Welcome to this beautiful two-story home located in the beautiful community of Sierra Ridge at Meridian Village. From the covered front porch to the backyard, you know you have arrived at a very special place. The light in the bright main floor was designed for family and entertaining, as it flows from room to room. Other amenities you will appreciate are the 3-car tandem garage, central air conditioning, community pool, short distance from the light rail station, and so much more. Learn more with Donna Bird.